Hey guys, welcome back to a very special video. Today I'm really happy to announce that we're gonna have a special sale. A lot of you guys asked us for like discount codes or promo codes or something that we can give away to celebrate, of course, our 20,000 subscribers, but also to celebrate the end of the month. We're already done with February pretty much, so we're gonna be having this special sale for the last 3 days of the month. So you're gonna find discount links down here on the description, and that's gonna take you, of course, to the sites where we sell our courses. And in this time around, we have special discounts for the 3 newly released courses for this month. So we released the modeling, hard surface modeling for Maya. We released the Blender 3.0 course, and we released the Substance Painter guide. So all of those 3 courses are going to have a special promo code down here on the description. So make sure to get here. You know that this is what helps us. This is what helps the channel grow. This is what helps us. It's our part of our job. So if you haven't got any of these ones and you're curious about them, this is the best chance because you're going to have a very special promo code. So make sure to check down here. Make sure to share this video so that everyone else knows about this special discount. This discount will be available today, which is Saturday, tomorrow, Sunday, and on Monday. The last 3 days of this month, we're going to have this special code to celebrate the new 3 courses on the channel and, of course, all of the support that you guys have given us throughout this month. So, yeah, thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to check our daily video, and I'll see you back on the next one. Bye-bye.